Namaskar, my name is Ashish Vidyarthi and this is my childhood friend Arun Bharadwaj. We have grown up in Delhi, Lakshmi Nagar together. We know each other from 1975. And this friend of mine is engaged in a startup. Arun, isn't there an age to a startup?
No, as per my thinking, there is no age for any startup. But with the age when you think for a startup, it's a matured idea with the experience background about the business. अगर आप देखें कि there is a word called mindfulness.
Yeah.
What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is noticing the things around you and then adopting those things and converting into the new idea. So there is no age for the yes, I know that there are very young people these days on the startups, but that doesn't mean that the old age like us cannot go for the startup.
That's interesting. Because for me, one of the things that really drives me is the possibility of the second innings, the possibility of what happens when people have given up on you. And one of the things that one of the first people who give up on us is we ourselves. So, I myself, at the age of 50, I kind of created a new thing, a new entity, Avid Miner. And hearing a lot of young age people being responsible for startups, this question does come into my mind. That what is it? What is that special that we at our age, we both are 55, what is the special that we can bring to the table which can add value to the startup that we are creating?
Most importantly, what we can bring onto the table is the experience. In our age, the things were not as fast.
Correct.
And we learn over the period of time. So that actually gives a lot of supporting to the new generation's ideas. हमने जो देखा है, हमने बहुत से ट्रांजिशंस देखे हैं अपनी लाइफ में, बिजनेस ट्रांजिशंस देखे हैं, लाइफ ट्रांजिशंस देखे हैं, उससे हमने बहुत सी चीज़ें सीखी हैं. किसी भी काम को करने के गलत और सही तरीका नहीं है.
Correct.
There are ways to do it by A, B, C, D. Whatever you do, you reach to one place. If the B drops with some error, you move on to C.
Correct.
So that gives you a lot of learnings, and we oldies bring a lot of experience and learnings to the new start.
So in a way, what Arun is saying is that experience is saying owning up to things that we have done, things that we have achieved and things that we haven't achieved. And that experience also allows us to be open to new things, Arun?
Yes. क्योंकि जब आप कोई नई चीज़ करते हो ना, और आपने कोई पहले जो गलती करी है, उसको आप ध्यान में रख के करते हो. जो आपसे गलती हुई, उससे आपने सीखा. तो नई चीज़ जब करने जाते हैं तो वो गलतियाँ ओमिट हो जाती हैं, आपको वो करते नहीं हो आप, क्योंकि वो गलती नहीं थी, वो एक लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस था आपके लिए. जैसा मैंने अभी बोला कि एक चीज़ को करने के 10 तरीके हो सकते हैं, जिसमें से 3 तरीके बहुत अच्छे थे और बाकी 7 जो थे वो लर्निंग के लिए था कि हमारी यहाँ पे गलती हो गई जिसको हमने सुधार के आगे ठीक किया.
So one of the things that I've seen about Arun is that he doesn't live in regret. This particular startup, what is this startup called?
Ride E. It's into e-scooter and e-vehicle rental business.
Got it. It was started by his son, an idea from him, and then Arun, really took interest in it, and it has been a complete reincarnation for him in terms of what he had been earlier doing. A startup is an opportunity to take a rebirth at any age. Are you ready for it?